Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are going to be starting a new topic called TensorFlow. So, now what is TensorFlow? It is a library that is used in machine learning and it is an open source library for numerical computation. Now, it is used in many programming languages such as Python, R, C++, and it provides a user to build a data flow graph to make the data understandable. So you can say TensorFlow is just a tool to help us understand the data more and work more efficiently with it. Now, in the TensorFlow Python deep learning library, a tensor is an array that represents the types of data. So, unlike a one dimensional vector array or any two-dimensional matrix, tensor can have n dimensions, where n can be any type of number. So now applications of it. It works with voice and sound recognition. One of the best known use of TensorFlow is sound-based application. With the right data source, the neural networks can understand the audio signals. These are voice recognition, voice search, sentiment analysis, and fault detection. One example we use in our daily life is the Google. Text based application. Other popular uses of TensorFlow are text based application, such as sentiment analysis, which is CRM and social media, threat detection, social media and government, fraud detection, which involves insurance and finance, and language detection is also one of the most popular uses of text based application. And last but not least, we have image recognition, which is mainly used in manufacturers of social media. Telecommunications, cell phones, image recognition aim to recognize and identify the people and objects in images. So, we want to understand and identify just like in our iPhones, the face detection. So now they want to understand the content of the image, the detection of the movement, the vision of the machine, and the grouping of photos. They can also be used in automotive industries of aviation and health and the context. So now we're going to be moving on to the coding part.